Hey guys, welcome back again. Today, we have ourselves a fidget spinner. So this is like one of the most branded fidget spinners. Got myself color black. Look at that color black. Let's put the camera right there. Look at an electric. Look at that. And then on the skull. This looks awesome. It's like a fan. The fan, right? And then one more. That's so fast, but sometime later turn like a fan like that. So it's currently cool. Where did I bought this? I just got it for free. I got color black. Look at that. It's like a top. So yeah. Okay, back guys. Hope you enjoy my fidget spinner video. Yeah.